As individuals approach the later stages of life, the importance of financial stability becomes increasingly apparent. The transition into retirement often brings a plethora of challenges, particularly concerning the management of resources accumulated throughout one's working years. Given the rising cost of living, varying healthcare expenses, and the unpredictability of Social Security benefits, achieving financial stability in old age requires meticulous planning and proactive decision-making. We will explore the factors that contribute to financial stability in old age, including the significance of early retirement planning, the role of investments, the impact of healthcare costs, and the necessity of a supportive social network. To begin with, early retirement planning is paramount in ensuring financial stability during one's later years. Individuals who start saving and investing at a young age are more likely to accumulate sufficient resources to support their lifestyle after retirement. The power of compound interest cannot be overstated. Even modest contributions to retirement accounts can lead to substantial growth over time. Financial experts commonly recommend that individuals contribute at least 15% of their income to retirement savings, such as 401(k)s or IRAs. Additionally, engaging with a financial advisor can provide tailored strategies to optimize savings and investments, thereby enhancing the prospect of a secure financial future. Moreover, diversifying investment portfolios is critical for maintaining financial stability in old age. A well-rounded portfolio includes a mix of asset classes such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, which can help mitigate risks associated with market volatility. As individuals age, it is advisable to gradually shift towards more conservative investments to preserve capital while still generating adequate returns. Furthermore, understanding the nuances of various investment vehicles such as mutual funds or annuities can empower retirees to make informed decisions that align with their risk tolerance and financial goals. In addition to planning and investment strategies, healthcare costs represent a significant concern for older adults. As individuals age, they often face increased medical expenses, which can erode savings if not properly managed. Medicare, while providing essential coverage, does not encompass all healthcare costs, leading many retirees to purchase supplemental insurance or long-term care insurance. It is vital for individuals to account for these potential expenses when planning their retirement finances. By proactively addressing healthcare needs, retirees can minimize the financial burden associated with medical emergencies and chronic illnesses, thereby preserving their overall financial stability. Another crucial aspect of financial stability in old age is the establishment of a supportive social network. Emotional well-being can have a profound impact on financial decision-making. Individuals with strong familial and social ties are more likely to make prudent financial choices. Additionally, social networks can provide valuable resources, such as shared information about financial planning or assistance in navigating complex healthcare systems. Community engagement and participation in social activities can also foster a sense of purpose, which may indirectly influence financial stability by encouraging healthier lifestyle choices that reduce medical expenses. Financial stability in old age necessitates a multifaceted approach that includes early planning, strategic investments, careful management of healthcare costs, and the cultivation of a supportive social network. By understanding the key components that contribute to financial well-being in later life, individuals can take proactive measures to ensure their financial security. As society continues to evolve and the demographic landscape shifts, it becomes imperative for each person to prioritize their financial health, thereby enhancing their quality of life in retirement. As populations age globally, the issue of financial stability in old age has garnered increasing attention from policymakers, economists, and individuals alike. Ensuring that older adults can maintain a reasonable standard of living is not only a matter of personal well-being but also a significant societal concern. The various factors contributing to financial stability in old age, including retirement savings, Social Security benefits, healthcare costs, and the importance of financial literacy. Ultimately, achieving financial stability in later life requires careful planning and an understanding of the evolving economic landscape. The foundation of financial stability in old age often begins with effective retirement savings strategies. Individuals are encouraged to contribute to retirement accounts such as 401(k)s or IRAs during their working years. The earlier one starts saving, the more substantial the financial cushion can become due to the power of compound interest. However, many people fail to adequately prepare, often due to a lack of knowledge or the pressures of immediate financial obligations. Studies indicate that a significant portion of the workforce is not saving enough to replace their pre-retirement income, leading to potential financial insecurity in later years. In addition to personal savings, Social Security benefits play a critical role in providing financial support for the elderly. Established as a safety net for retirees, Social Security is designed to replace a portion of pre-retirement income, thus allowing older adults to meet basic living expenses. However, the effectiveness of Social Security varies based on factors such as lifetime earnings and the age at which individuals choose to start receiving benefits. While Social Security is a vital resource, it is often insufficient for maintaining a comfortable lifestyle, which underscores the necessity of supplemental savings. Healthcare costs represent another significant challenge to financial stability in old age. As individuals age, they typically experience a higher prevalence of chronic illnesses, leading to increased medical expenses. The rising cost of healthcare, compounded by the potential need for long-term care, can deplete retirement savings at an alarming rate. It is essential for individuals to factor in these potential costs when planning for retirement. Additionally, understanding the complexities of health insurance options such as Medicare and supplemental insurance plans can empower older adults to make informed decisions that protect their financial well-being. Financial literacy, the ability to understand and effectively use various financial skills, is a crucial component of achieving financial stability in old age. Many individuals lack the knowledge needed to navigate the complexities of retirement planning, investment options, and budgeting for healthcare. Programs aimed at enhancing financial literacy can help individuals make informed decisions about their financial futures. By understanding concepts such as the time value of money, risk management, and the importance of diversifying investments, older adults can better position themselves for financial security. In conclusion, financial stability in old age is a multifaceted issue that requires proactive planning and a comprehensive understanding of various financial components. By prioritizing retirement savings, leveraging Social Security benefits, anticipating healthcare costs, and enhancing financial literacy, individuals can significantly improve their chances of achieving financial stability in later life. As society continues to grapple with the implications of an aging population, it is imperative that both individuals and policymakers work together to create an environment that supports the financial well-being of older adults. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey through the world of finance. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, we hope you found our content informative, engaging, and perhaps even a bit enlightening. Remember, the financial landscape is always evolving, and staying informed is key to making the best decisions for your financial future. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights, tips, and strategies to help you navigate the complexities of finance. Till next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep making those smart financial moves. See you in the next video.